Hi Eric. So I noticed one more thing here which doesn't seems to be correct. So I have this employee shift set to for Monday it is 8 to 5 p.m. All times are in IST, and for Tuesday for this particular day I had a shift exception from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And if I go to the next week, I can see the shift is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for all the days. Now if I create a meeting request, now let's say I'm going to let me pick some other um, customer. Okay, so this contact I've selected here and I'm keeping 1 hour duration. The date range that I'm setting is from 4th of September till 12th of September. So I'm covering next week also, half of the next week also. If I save this, I have copied this link and now I'm going to check the available slots. Okay, so I'm selecting Monday 12 am. That's fine. So Monday it is showing till 4. It's fine. On Tuesday, where we have that is 5th of September, our shift exception that we added is 8 to 7, which is showing correctly till 7. But if I go to the next Tuesday, so I'm selecting Monday 10 am. Okay, so for Monday it is showing correct till 4 p.m. because shift is till 5. And if Tuesday the start time is correct as per the no, start time is also not correct. It is starting from 10, so it is considering the shift exception for the next Tuesday also. The start time is 10 a.m. and end time is 6 p.m. Whereas so this is for 12th of September. Whereas 12th of September the shift is 8 to 5 p.m. So it is considering the shift exception from the previous day of that week. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.